All right, this is our site at Usuri Mountain Regional Park. Just wow, just outside Phoenix, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona. Here, I'll walk over here. There's our site here. We're in the campground area, obviously. There's that. There's the camper. Check this out. And check out back here. Oh, a little windy. Look at back here. Look at how big that part is behind the camper. It's huge. But we're gonna head. It's mid-January right now. We're gonna head back across the U.S. Too cold over here in Arizona. We're going to probably heading back to Florida or something like that. So I guess it's mid to late January. So all right, we'll take you along with us. Monahan Sandhill State Park, just outside of Monahans, Texas. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but there's our site. Here's what it looks like. A little tour around. A whole bunch of sand in a sandbox, is what it is. A little windy. It's always breezy out here, it seems like. That tent right there, them guys there, they came in last night, set their tent up, and then went ahead and left. And never came back last night, so that's interesting. But yeah, that's it. There it is. Nice sights, water, electric. A lot of sand. There it is. Here's the other end of the park. Or just the loop, the other end of the loop here. Walk down here and you can get a few more sights. It just makes a loop. A few more people came in last night, looks like. But yeah, that's it. There's a rooftop tent. All right, here's our campsite. Isaac Creek Campground, somewhere in Alabama. I'm not really sure. Isaac Creek Campground. We're all packed up, ready to leave. Thought I'd shoot a video before we left quick. And there it is. And they're pretty far apart. It's a Corp Engineers Park. The sites are a long ways apart. Water, electric. Nice campground. Right on the Alabama River. There it is. All right, here we are, Topsail State Park, Florida. Just down the road from Destin Beach. Got just about back to Florida and the truck started making growling noise. I know what that is. Must probably be a wheel bearing, something like that. So I'm guessing everything points to a wheel bearing, so it's loud and growly. So there we are, working on it here in the parking lot right in front of the camper. There's the camper. Here's what's behind me. So I'm kind of in my own little area here and putting a new wheel bearing in. Got the old one out already. I'll put the new one in and we're ready to roll. That's all we gotta do. All right, save a bunch of money that way anyway. Wheel bearing was 219 bucks. Ran up to an O'Reilly's and got it. So wheel bearing on the truck. Hopefully we'll be good to go. Hopefully it takes care of the noise.
Audrey, turn around. Oh my God.